Mara. Yeah, Mara, Gambazo Twala. Check it, Petu Kevin, Petu Izzy Prato. The house is full of MCs. It dopeness you out with no guy. Check it. And since I was born as a fighter. The more bendisa is the more I'm getting tighter. The more bezamundwisa is the more I'm getting higher. From Prato to Smara to Ipute Kyabandwana. Nika and your nini kotan chincha bandwan. The sweka nika. Engini bayandazi and your well nika. Kotan sebenza ngebazi. Lala ngekutu. Zengodlame njengo Putin. Mpomela beef kota afotini. Chicken lyrically sozunmel. So it's better untetele. Ukufika uSmara sibheke manje sikhwelele khathi nibakhumbuze ke igama ngusibamkele uthanda ungathandi mfana kithi ngeke kunimele yeah mfana kithi ngeke kunimele Smara Mara
yeah this shit is so easy. I got no weakest points. Made love for these haters cause they got no vision. I'm standing for my ish, you niggas gon' relate. I got many punching banks, you niggas never liked me. I got the game from suffering. I told Izzy, take it easy, this shit is so easy. Mad Mace, you could tell my raps are so easy. My raps, they guessing up, I got them deadly coughing. Maneuver hate, I got them throwing shots on me. That shit is so weird, make them bleed, nigga just roll the weed. When I'm around in the studio, I got them niggas sweating. Safe rooms for my knees, they say I'm not that easy. I got many lines, but the beat is not even switching. Mara come with the heat, let me spice it up.
Dropping off these dudes in the graveyard. Breaking all these dudes like a breakdown. What you gonna do when I'm out here with the gang now? Tell me more about these fake niggas, diss me on a song. I'ma drop a bomb like Osama when I'm on a song. I'ma make you high like you sing Jesus on the song. Fuck 'em all, it's me and Kevin writing in the song. Smara said it's kinda beat, I replied with an angry verse. Swear to God, I'm the greatest I know. I cross Christ in the Bible with a finger, you know. I put fire in the fire, pull the trigger, you know. I don't cry, but you cry when I trigger, you know. For sure, Izzy Prato is the greatest, you know. I tell God in the industry I'm ready to go. I'm on fire, you won't stop me in the industry, bro. I put shots in the bar when I'm chilling with bros, for sure.